It's Sunday, April 6, 2014, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeoWeather.com video forecast. Looking at the 3D Max Doppler network this morning as of about 9:15. Temperatures warming into the upper 30s with a whole lot of sun this morning, not a cloud in sight. You can see that right over Lake Erie. That's actually still some ice. It may be early April, but more than half of Lake Erie is still frozen. Temperatures are going to keep going up today under mostly sunny skies. Taking a look across the entire country now, the bulk of the action is focused across the deep south. A lot of rain and thunder, even some severe weather going on there, extending from Texas east towards Alabama and Georgia. That's really the only portion of the country it's warm right now, right along the Gulf Coast. Everywhere else, it's rather chilly for this time of year, although there isn't too much going on right now, and that moisture over the Gulf Coast is going to move our way by tomorrow, so we'll look at that more in a second. But first, here's everybody's favorite, the almanac. Yesterday we did 46 and 33. That was a good chunk below the averages of 55 and 37. Today's record's 85 and 21. That 85 was set back in 2010. No precip yesterday at Hopkins. We're running above normal on the month and near normal on the year, and we're going to set the sun at 7:58 tonight. All right, looking ahead through the rest of today, temperatures rise nicely well into the 50s this afternoon, except for right along the lakeshore where you can see those lighter blues persist. So if you live within a few miles of the Lake Erie shoreline, especially the eastern shoreline, temperatures today probably will be stuck in the 40s. Areas inland, though, well into the 50s, and then we'll start tailing off a little bit this evening as the sun goes down. So your forecast for today, mostly sunny. A few clouds might filter in later today and especially into tonight. However, today will be mostly sunny with light southeast winds, temperatures rising into the mid to even upper 50s away from Lake Erie and a little cooler near the shoreline. Unfortunately, if you're heading to the Indians game, that is lake breeze territory. Temperatures will be stuck in the 40s. Should still be nicer than yesterday. Plenty of sun. Winds will be blowing in, but they won't be as strong as yesterday, and it should be several degrees warmer than yesterday's game when temperatures were in the upper 30s. Looking ahead now, that big blue circle over the mid-Atlantic extending west towards the Southern Great Lakes is high pressure. That's in control today. That doesn't last long as we roll towards tomorrow. Low pressure moves north from the Gulf of Mexico towards Ohio. That brings a large slug of moisture with it. We're going to see rain tomorrow. As we head towards tomorrow afternoon and evening, portions of southern Ohio could see a few strong to possibly severe storms. That shouldn't be a concern up here. It probably won't get quite warm enough for that to happen. Now, low pressure goes by Monday night, and then we linger a few showers into Tuesday as a little disturbance sort of trails the main system. So we're going to keep shower chances in for Tuesday, and it will cool off a little bit behind that low pressure. So on the big picture forecast maps, you can see low pressure moves by tomorrow. A surge of warmth and moisture. It won't get too warm here because it'll be raining most of the day, and then as the low pressure passes, a little cooler air moves in for Tuesday and Wednesday. And with this deep dip in the jet stream overhead, we'll have to watch for a few showers through Tuesday. As we get to Wednesday, the dip in the jet stream slowly starts pulling out, so we should warm up a little bit on Wednesday. And then look at this on Thursday. Warm air gets pulled pretty far northeast. This is a good setup for warmth this time of year. Have warmth drawn northeast out of the southwest ahead of a cold front and then sort of compress it over one area. That'll be compressed right over Ohio, so it'll be pretty warm on Thursday. We get a little baby cool down for Friday, but you can see the cooler air just barely grazes us. And then as we head into next weekend, we already start warming back up, and there could be a pretty good warm push of air next Sunday and Monday ahead of the next cool down. Now, as we look at the whole continent, unfortunately, this big high pressure aloft is still persisting on the west coast, so that's still directing a northwest flow towards the central U.S. So we're definitely seeing more warm surges of air, but we still can't completely rule out some more cool shots with maybe even some snow through at least mid-month. Again, not too much to worry about in the next week, but we'll see right after the end of the next 8 or 9 days, we'll have to watch for potentially a bigger cool down once again. All right, so here that all is on the 7-day tomorrow. Rain. Temperatures right around 50 for highs. And there could be some minor flooding issues that redevelop late Monday into Tuesday. There will be about a ½ inch to inch of rain for a lot of us, and a lot of rivers are still running high from last week's heavy rain. Scattered showers persisting into Tuesday. I can't rule out some snow pellets or maybe even some small hail with any showers Tuesday afternoon because it'll be very cold aloft. Wednesday, we hopefully dry out, clear out, warm up a little bit, and then Thursday's the big warm day. Strong southwesterly winds. I'm going for highs in the low to mid 70s. Rain Thursday night with a cold front, and then we're a little cooler Friday and Saturday, but not too bad. And then we're going to look for potentially a bigger warm up next Sunday into next Monday ahead of our next little cool down. All right, again, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for watching. I apologize for the garbage truck that's been conveniently right outside my building for the past half hour. Check us out again tomorrow.